Good morning. Good morning, all of you beautiful people out there. It is me, Madison. I hope you're doing so well today. I'm wishing you a great, positive, wonderful day. Today I have for you a breakfast mukbang of epic proportions, let me tell you. Look at this. Biscuits and gravy. Can I? Oh my goodness. And French toast. This is actually eggnog French toast. I'm so excited. My animals are running around like crazy. They're getting their daily exercise in for the morning, driving me nuts. And look, my cat's... Hi, Sally. Okay. No, ma'am. Don't come over here. She's right behind the camera. I've got my coffee. This is Texas pecan coffee. And I used this creamer right here. Almond milk creamer. And the flavor is chocolate mint. Mint cocoa. Okay, now, holy guaca frickin' moly, you guys. I made homemade gravy. Now the gravy was white. I'm sorry if my situation is all wonky. Let me see. Let me move you a little this way. Okay, that's a little better. But I made my own gravy and it was white until I put the crumbles in there and then it turned this weird brown, but let's give it a try. All right. I used vegan butter and almond milk for the gravy. Oh. Wow. Okay. And then I put rubbed sage in there and thyme, salt, pepper. I made those crumbles. These are actually the beef crumbles. I couldn't find any vegan breakfast sausage to crumble in there. I was gonna make chorizo, vegan chorizo gravy. But I was like, I'm just gonna stick with the classics. And then these biscuits I actually didn't make. These are the Annie's organic biscuits in a tube. Are friggin' bomb. I've been wanting to do a breakfast mukbang for so long. I can't get over how good that is. Biscuits and gravy are my favorite thing. For Thanksgiving, I don't know if I'm going to post this before or after Thanksgiving, but for Thanksgiving, I'm going to make a mushroom gravy, and I'm going to kind of use the same technique, like creating a roux. I mean, if you know how to create a roux, it's really simple, right? It's just a fat, flour, and then you cook that, and then you add a liquid, like a milk. And I use almond milk. But I'm going to put really thick mushrooms and fresh sage, fresh thyme, white wine. I'm going to pour it all over mashed potatoes. I can't wait. And I'm also making vegan green bean casserole. I don't know what else to make though. That is so good. Since it's so early in the morning, my dog and my cat are really lively. I don't know, they're more active in the morning, and so they're just all over me today. Oh, you're driving your mother crazy. My cat's chewing on my little decoration plant thing. And so I'm up early today because I have a doctor's appointment. Everything's all good. Nothing wrong. I just need to go see her every 6 months. And then I'm gonna go get my hair cut. I'm gonna get my hairstylist, which I'm obsessed with. I love her. If you're in the Austin area and need a bomb.com hairstylist, I'm not kidding. She saved my hair. Let me know, and I'll send you her information. So let's take apart this French toast. This is eggnog French toast, you guys. Okay, so I have some vegan butter that I'm gonna put on there. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm gonna put it on this piece right here. So, okay, so you're like, vegan French toast, how do you make French toast without egg? So I used 2 ripe bananas, eggnog, it's the eggnog from, I gotta burp. From So Delicious. It is so delicious. And you can use it as coffee creamer. You can just drink it as eggnog. But I used it in place of milk in this recipe. I need a knife. And I used bananas, So Delicious creamer, or the So Delicious eggnog, cinnamon, and vanilla. Okay, let's taste it. Wow. Wow. The banana game is really strong. You wouldn't like it if you don't like bananas because it just tastes like banana eggnog. It's really, really good. I also got some syrup. There they go again. Oh, it's really good with the syrup. Okay, I need some syrup. Do you hear them? I don't know if the mic's picking it up. Children, calm it down. So anyways, I'm gonna go get my hair done. And I wanna get bangs, but not like bangs straight across. But I wanna get like side swipe bangs. I don't know. I kind of like my forehead being exposed. But I think for the winter, it might be a good idea because for the summer, it's just too hot here and like any hair on your face is just gonna like get stick and get dirty. I like sitting here when I do my mukbangs because I can like look out the window and the sky is so pretty out my window. Like I love it. In the evenings, the sky is just gorgeous shades of like red and purples and yellows and it's just so pretty. Like you guys, I'm not even kidding. How gorgeous is this skyline? I just love it. It's so freaking beautiful. There's my dog taking a shit. I kind of live out in the country, not sort of, but not really. And there's always all these like big hawks and vultures flying by and like flying in circles in the sky like that. But that scares me because like, I don't want like, you know, what if I'm like out letting my dog out and like one of those big ass hawks comes and like scoops her up, steals her and eats her for lunch. That would not be good. I love butter. I think I get that from my grandpa. My grandpa, oh my God, complete opposite of me. Like, not complete opposite, but as far as like he's a hunter and he has like animals that he's shot and killed on his wall. He has this big, huge bear. Not bear, what am I talking about? Moose head that he shot in his living room. Oh, I'm like, well, he's passed, but I'm like, if he knew me now, because he passed when I was a lot younger, but if he knew me now, he would be like, who are you? Because I'd be like, I don't like all this animals on the wall and blah, blah, blah. And he's like avid hunter, avid meat eater. He used to get sticks like a, I remember this so clearly. He would get like butter like this and eat it like that. What, Grandpa? Come on now. You crazy. But he was also an extreme athlete, and he was in the Senior Olympics, and he fucking won medals, and he did marathons and triathlons and all kinds of stuff. So he was like super skinny because he was always exercising, but oh man. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But that's the beauty of being vegan nowadays. Like, even if you're not vegan and you just want to like use less animal products in your diet, you totally can. I mean, look at all the food I eat, and I don't use one animal product. You know what I mean? And I feel good about it. I feel like I'm, you know, saving animals' lives. So it works for me. And I love food. Oh my God. And then I'm gonna go to the thrift store today. I have something specific that I'm looking for, but I don't want to say because it has to do with that video that's coming up. But if I don't find it, I'll say it in my next video. Because right next to my doctor's office is, oh, this is so friggin' good. I brought hot sauce. I didn't even use it. I put so much pepper in it. So it's kind of spicy. I mean, obviously you're not going to get like a ton of spice with black pepper, but you do get enough to make it delicious. So I don't know if I'm going to post this before or after Thanksgiving, but if I do before, I'm not. No, I'm going to post it after. So I hope, hi Kaya. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and so does Kaya. She hopes you have a wonderful Thanksgiving too, and you get to see lots of your family, and there's no drama. One time, my parents, my dad, and my stepmom, we were having Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh, I should tell you about the Thanksgiving from hell. Like literally the Thanksgiving from hell. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this story. Okay, so this Thanksgiving was at my brother and sister-in-law's house, and this was like an in-between home. They were renting the home. And we go, it's me, my roommate at the time, my brother and sister-in-law, my dad, my stepmom, and my dad and stepmom's like friends, like family friends or something. I've known her for a long time, but I hadn't seen her since I was much, much younger. And she's a whole different part of the story that's just hilarious. Okay, so my brother always has like a ton of alcohol because he works for a liquor company. So they just like give him shit for free all the time, and he doesn't drink that often. So he just has like tons on hand. So whenever he has parties at his house, I mean, it's a freaking party. So he was making chocolate martinis, and what should we call the family friend? We're going to call her Hot Mess Express because that's what she was. Okay, so they're feeding Hot Mess Express freaking chocolate martinis out the wazoo. This girl is like getting down on some chocolate martinis, which is actually only like 2 she had. I mean, I would need a few more than that to get me going, if you know what I mean. So after like 2 martinis, she was sloshed. She starts talking to me. She comes up to me. She's like, oh my gosh, Madison, you're so beautiful. And I had way more at the time. And she's like, you're so beautiful. Have you ever considered being a large lady model? And she's like looking at me like all seductive, like, a large lady model? And I go, and she's like, here, like, she's short. I'm 5'9", and she's like 5 nothing. And I'm like looking at her and I'm like, no, thank you. No. I'm like so confused. Like, is this a compliment? She's calling me a large lady. And she's like, you should be a large lady because you can do it. I go, okay. But anyways, so there are these like oil lamps up on the mantle, and then there's also some candles that were lit, and I don't know exactly what happened, but my stepmom like saw it and said, oh my gosh, like, we got to make sure that the candles don't hit the oil lamp or whatever so shit doesn't explode. So Hot Mess Express takes it upon herself to go up to the freaking mantle and like moves the painting or something to move a candle. I don't know. Basically, she knocks over the oil all over the set Thanksgiving table, all over the floor, which was tile. Well, thank God it was tile, so it didn't get in the carpet. All over the place. Thank the Lord in heaven above, it didn't hit like anywhere near the other candles that were lit. And it's everywhere. So, oh my God. And my sister-in-law, who's like the hostess with the mostest, who like freaks out. I'm not even eating. Who like freaks out if shit's not going well and like the party's not perfect. Oh my God. She gets so anxious. She's like, oh my God. And then, so my stepmom comes in and she's like, oh, let me help. Because we're trying to like carefully move everything. And then my stepmom comes in and she fucking slips on the oil, boom, runs right into the table. The table fucking like collapses over. Thank God not on her, but it was like right next to her. And this huge glass pumpkin, I swear to God, it was like this big, that was sitting in the middle of the table. Because it was like one of those collapsible tables, you know, that you fold up, collapses, falls over onto the ground and shatters everywhere. So my stepmom is lying in a pool of oil in shards of glass. And I mean, the turkey was like coming out of the oven, you guys, like this. And my sister-in-law's like, oh my God. Hot Mess Express is like going, oh my God, what do we do? And she's like, just sloppy soup sandwich, slipping all over the place. And I'm trying to like get my stepmom off the ground. So I'm like lying towels down and like trying to pick her up and put her on the towel. Just like slide her out of the way, like, get out of here, you're not helping. My brother comes up to me, he's like, Madison, do me a favor right now. Get stepmom and sloppy soup sandwich out of here. I don't care what you have to do. You're always choking on something. I don't care what you have to do. Get him out of here. And so I'm like, okay. So I like go up to them and I'm like, hey guys, I can't remember what I said, but I basically said like, we got this under control. Can you guys kick rocks? Like, get out of here. You're not helping. And so we start cleaning up the mess, and we have to like reset up the table. So at this point, we're just eating on the plastic table. All of the forks and everything that were all set, we're using plastic forks at this point because like she had all of her nice shit set out. Thank God there were no glassware out. We finally clean up all of the mess, sort of, and we set up our table like all the way on the other side of the living room, like far away from the kitchen. And then my dad, who's like really, really opinionated when it comes to politics, He holds his tongue. But then when somebody else opens their mouth, oh, no. He ain't got no motherfucking time. So Hot Mess Express is on the other opposite end of the political spectrum, whatever. Like, they're polar opposites. She opens her fucking mouth about gun rights. And they believe complete opposite. Oh my motherfucker. The whole time I was like, you guys, y'all, I even said, shut the fuck up. And I would never tell my dad to shut the fuck up. I was mostly telling her, but I was like, shut the fuck up. Oh my God, be quiet. I was stressing so bad. I was like, you guys, shut up. And everybody, like, my family's just like, just shut up and take it. This French toast, it's so good. I'm not even eating it. I ate all of my biscuits and gravy. You guys, I ate 5 biscuits. That's the problem. My family is like, okay, like, let's move on. I'm like, shut up! Be quiet! Don't be fucking talking! Because I'll say something. This is fucking Thanksgiving. I'm not trying to sit here and listen to y'all bitch about politics. No. And then Hot Mess Express gets on the phone after we're done eating. And she's like trying to call her boyfriend to come get her. And she's sitting in the middle of the living room on her phone. Going, baby, you're my king. You are my king, my royal majesty. And we're all like, what the fuck? And her boyfriend wouldn't come get her. And so she was like, come get me and I'll be your queen. And we're like, oh my God. I was like, can we call her a cab? Like, I'll pay for it. Like, get her the fuck out of here. I haven't seen her since. Well, we paid for her cab and she left. And that was the Thanksgiving from hell. My poor brother. He kept disappearing into the garage. And at one point I like went in there. I'm like, what are you doing, dude? And he's like smoking a bowl. He's like, fuck this shit. He gets so stressed. Because he absorbs a lot of the stress. Because like my sister-in-law was freaking out. The whole fucking Thanksgiving table fell. Oh my God. You guys. I'm full. My books. I haven't read this book yet. Steve Martin, Born Standing Up. I use it to put my plants on. Oh, mama's full. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this mukbang. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.